What's going on, guys? I've had to record this tutorial for the second time because I realized that my audio sounded completely terrible because I was using the wrong thingy, my bobby. But I fixed it and now I have to redo it. Kind of annoying, but I also noticed that you guys actually subscribed and liked my video. 9 likes. Must be famous now. But yeah, it's a very awaited comeback for next tutorial. So I just have a clip here. It's just Twixtor, nothing special. But yeah, as you guys can tell from the title, I'll be teaching you guys how to do I guess a warp shake. Is that? I think that's the right terminology for it. Basically, it's warp waves. So yeah, I have this very edgy sounding preset for it. Sorry, I actually forgot to put this as reflect. So yeah, copy these settings really quickly. So there you go, do that or whatever, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least that's how I do it, and put it to like. Great, that was exactly it. You have to put it to that setting. That's the best one to use. I think I'll put 4 maybe, and go to the last one and put it as. Great, my mouse is absolutely horrendous. It has like a double clicking problem, so sorry if my mouse just does the weirdest shit. I put it to like 95, there we go. And then we'll just go down and we'll just, okay, if we can actually scroll down. This is horrendous, I need to get a new mouse. Fast fade that, and just leave it as that, and then you just want to basically, render it out. Or, I'll just quickly show you it really quickly. Pre-render it and just kind of fuck around with it a bit. This is what I have right now. I say it's pretty clean. It might be a bit too fast, or the amplitude might be a bit too high maybe, I don't know, but I think it looks really nice. It's a really cool effect. And if you do the same thing with from the last tutorial with the scale I showed, that's not even the right settings. Why am I using these settings? They're so trash. Why do I have shadow duration on? Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Oh great, nice mouse. Professional mouse. Very good. I'm not gonna do the thingy, but yeah, if you use the thingy, you'll see that it's very nice together, as you can see. Okay, it doesn't look nice because it's done like that, but you get what I'm saying. It's kind of late, honestly. I might go to bed soon. But yeah, that's it, really. Nothing else to it, just that. Hope you guys get this video in your, notifications. If not, well, that really sucks. Because this is one of the best tutorials you've ever seen in the world for editing. So, just kind of sad you didn't watch it. But I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh wait, quickly, really quickly want to say, comment down below what you want to see next time for a tutorial. And yeah, peace out. That's it. Bye.